In today's video, I'll teach you how to restrict group chat in Messenger. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Messenger application on your device. You can see over here, Messenger has been opened. So in Messenger, you'll be able to restrict the individual chat, but you'll not be able to restrict the group chat like you do with the individual chats. So if you really want to restrict it, what you can do is simply mute or ignore it. Muting or ignoring the group chat will be equivalent to restricting it. So for that, what you have to do is simply long press on the group chat that you want to mute or ignore. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Pin, archive, ignore, add members, mute. If you want to mute it, simply tap on this option, mute. Now you'll be able to mute the message notifications, call notifications, message and call notifications. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now tap on the option OK. Now also select the duration. You'll be able to find various options over here. For 15 minutes, for 1 hour, for 8 hours, etc. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now tap on the OK option. Now you can see over here that particular group chat will be muted. Now you'll not be able to get the message and call notification. Or you can also ignore this group chat. For that, what you have to do is long press on the group chat. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply tap on the option ignore. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to see this kind of message. If you ignore this chat, it will move to the archive folder and the notifications for new messages will be stopped. Simply tap on this option ignore. Now you can see over here that particular group will be moved to the archive. You'll no longer be able to see that group in the chat's interface. So like this, you'll be able to mute and ignore the group chat, which will be equivalent to restricting it. So that is how you restrict group chat on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.